Hi, welcome back to Tony's Reviews. In this video, I'll be showing you Plaud Note Pro honest review. So, basically, the Plaud Note Pro is a slim credit card style AI recording device that's meant to sit quietly in the background. Now, while it records meetings, calls, or conversations, then turns all of that into transcripts and summaries using AI. Now, according to hands-on reviews and even from different sources here, like tech sites or even like discussions online, well, one of the biggest reasons people like it is how easy it is to use. Now, you don't have to fumble with apps or settings mid conversation. You just tap it, let it record, and deal with everything later in the app. Now, a lot of reviews and early buyers say the audio quality is generally solid for something this small. Now, tech reviews mention that multiple microphones do a good job picking up voices in meetings, even when the device isn't right in front of the speaker. Now, then again, that same feedback shows up on Reddit too. So basically, where people say it's reliable for work calls and in person discussions without needing to pull out a phone and risk distractions. Now, when people feel the value, though, is in the AI summaries. Now, according to reviews like the Yahoo Tech, and long form write ups here from home tech blogs, well, the Plaud app doesn't just dump raw transcripts on you. It actually creates structured summaries and highlights, which is a lot of people say saves them real time when reviewing meetings or interviews. Now, some Reddit users even mention it replaces their manual note taking completely for work. With that said, this is where opinions start to split. Now, a consistent concern across reviews and Reddit discussions is the subscription model here. While the device itself works fine out of the box, heavy transcription and advanced AI features are limited unless you're on a paid plan. Now, several reviewers point out that if you record a lot, those free minutes disappear quickly, which makes total cost higher than it actually appears. So there are also mentions of occasional app hiccups like syncing delays or minor bugs, mostly reported in user comments and a few reviews out there. Nothing deal breaking, but enough that people notice it, especially in this price point. So when people ask if it's actually worth it, well, the general vibe online is pretty clear. If you're consistently in meetings, interviews, or work conversations, and want something that quietly captures everything turns into usable notes, so most reviewers feel the Plaud Note Pro generally delivers. But if it's more of an like occasional tool, a lot of people feel the cost plus subscription can be hard to justify. And that's about it. So, if you found this video, hit the like and subscribe button and watch our next video.